Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a view in browser link in Mailchimp. This feature is incredibly useful because it allows your subscribers to view your email in their web browser if it doesn't display correctly in their inbox, ensuring they never miss your content. First, open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account by clicking the Login button and entering your credentials. This will take you to your Mailchimp dashboard where you can manage all your email campaigns. Next, click on Campaigns in the left side menu. This will display all your existing email campaigns and give you access to create new ones. From here, you can either click Create Campaign to start a fresh email or select an existing campaign you want to edit. For this tutorial, we'll assume you're working with an existing campaign that needs the view in browser link added. Once you're in the campaign editor, locate the email template where you want to add the view in browser link. Typically, this link works best in the header section at the very top of your email, so it's immediately visible to subscribers. Click to add a text content block at the top of the page. This is where you'll insert your link in the text block. Type the visible link text. Something like "view this email in your browser" works perfectly. Once you've typed that, highlight the text you just created. This prepares it to become a clickable link. Now, before moving forward, you need to grab the Archive Merge tag from Mailchimp. Click on the Merge Tag option, search for Archive, and copy it to your clipboard. This merge tag is what actually creates the browser version of your email. With the text still highlighted, click the link icon in the text editor toolbar. A field will appear asking for the link URL. Here, paste the merge tag Archive exactly as it appears. Make sure it's typed correctly, as this merge tag tells Mailchimp to generate the browser link automatically. Once you've pasted it, click Insert or Add. Finally, click Save and close to save the changes to your email. Your view in browser link is now active and will appear at the top of every email you send with this template. Subscribers who have display issues can simply click it and view the full email in their browser without any formatting problems. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.